with me. If today is your first time here on this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my video. And to my existing subscribers, I thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I see your comments. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement on this journey. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create high quality videos like a pro on your smartphone. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. As you all know, being able to create professional looking video content on your mobile phone is a lot much easier than you think these days. So I do want you to know that it doesn't matter what smartphone you're using, as long as you have a good camera, a tripod stand, good lighting and more. That is all that matters, guys. So let's get started. As I said earlier, you need a camera to create amazing content. There are no two ways about that. But please, before you even start filming or recording, ensure that you clean up your camera lens. Whether you're using a front camera or your back camera, your rear camera, ensure you clean up your lens to avoid blurry images. Yeah. Remember to clear up some space. Remember to charge up your phone, or better still, you get a support in form of power bank to help you in case there is a power outage, or now where we are. And also remember to film in the right camera setting, although we'll get to that. Next up, guys, is to get yourself a tripod stand for stabilization. A tripod stand is very necessary if you're a content creator. If you're vlogging or you're having a sit-down video and tutorial, it is very necessary to get yourself a tripod stand. Whatever it is you're creating, tripod stand makes this content creation much easier. Next is to level up on your audio. As you guys can see, I am currently using a wireless microphone. This mic, this is K9 wireless microphone. This mic is amazing, it's budget friendly and perfect for content creation. But as you guys already know, there are numerous microphones out there in the market, in the stores. You can walk in and source for the perfect microphone of your choice. But the essence I'm trying to buttress here is to level up on your audio. As you all know, when it comes to recording content, 50% comes from visuals. That is what people say. And the remaining 50% goes to audio, and that is what people hear. So it's very important to level up on your audio quality, especially if you're creating content, because it would be very funny, after creating great content and your audience will be finding it very difficult to hear you out. They'll just fling it and move on to the next. At the end of the day, you just make a total mess of the content. So it's very necessary and important to level up on your audio quality when creating your content. And next is to get yourself external lights. I know sunlight is the best. The natural light is the best. I agree. But it's very necessary to get yourself external light. But sometimes you end up filming at night, like I'm doing here. This is past 7 p.m. while I'm filming. Sometimes you end up filming, in a dark environment. But once you have a good lighting, it makes filming easier. So having lighting does the trick. Lighting is a necessity, guys. Invest in lighting. And next is to make sure you're filming in the right camera setting. You can film in 4K or in 1080 HD megapixel. One thing to bear in mind once you're filming in 4K is that it takes a lot of storage from your phone, which takes me back to, if you can remember earlier on, I said in the intro of this video, I said you need to clear up some storage space in your phone, because when you are filming in high quality like 4K, 4K takes a lot of storage. That is just the truth. So you have to clear up, make sure you have enough space to take up the content you're filming, or you make a total mess of yourself. You might end up setting yourself up along the line. Or if you're using a device that cannot film in 4K, please make sure you film in the best and highest quality that you can. And the last but not the least here, which I feel is very, very important, is the editing apps you use, because this also plays a major key as to how your videos comes out. Kindly check out my last video where I talked about editing apps and come up with the best editing app you like. So kindly look out for an editing app with great quality and features that your audience will love. You can have a great video, great content, great lighting and more. But once your editing is whack, I bet you, nobody will be satisfied watching that particular content. So you need to up your editing game, and you know as the saying goes that practice makes perfect. You can learn how to edit off YouTube and practice it, because I personally practice it to where I am today. So I know if I can, you too can. So guys, with this mobile setup, you are good to go with creating content. Whether you're vlogging, be it a sit down video or tutorial, whatever content it is you're creating. With this mobile setup I have shared with you today, you are good to go. And that's how you can level up on your mobile phone and take it from basic to pro level by using the right accessories. Guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I thank you all so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye.